Oh yeah, God save my nan from myself and Meghan. But the mail could do one, so here comes an H-bomb. Oh, boom. God save my nan. We mean it, man. But there's no future in the royal family. Won't be told what we want and won't be told what we need. There's no future, no future, no future for you. God save my nan. But laters, fam. I love my nan. Not so much William. God save my nan. 'Cause tourists are money. And my father's mom, shit's gold out her bum. Oh yeah. Oh, God save this country. God save you mad racists. This has all been worth it just to boil Piers Morgan's piss. Oh, when there's no future, how can there be sin? Oh yeah.